Hi guys, how you doing? Debbie here. So today, while I've been sorting my craft stuff out, I've come across a big bowl of Pearl mica powders, all different colours. So I thought I might try and do a card, just put them to one side, using the interference red. Okay. Because Pearl doesn't have a binding agent in it, what I'm also going to do when we get to that point is slightly mix in just a little bit of perfect pearls. But I'll show you that step when we get to it. Okay, so I've got a 5x7 base and I've masked off this area. Doesn't matter how you mask it off, just however you want. I've got Salty Ocean, Squeezed Lemonade, Peach Flamingo and Shaded Lilac. And I'm just going to do some blending in that section that I've masked off. Right, now what I want to do, actually I don't like that blend there, I'm just going to go back in with a bit more yellow. Add my blue. That's better. Okay, right. So now what I want to do, I've just got this little brush. I'm going to pull some out onto my desk. Oops, I don't think you need that much, but not to worry, we've got plenty. That's your interference red. Now I'm also going to grab a little bit of the perfect pearls. Like I say, perfect pearls have a binding agent in them, whereas Pearl doesn't, and I haven't got any fixative spray. So right, let's give them a little mix together, and then what I want to do is gently remove your masking. Okay, and then I'm going to put this over the sections that we've just blended with our inks, and hopefully, because the inks will still be slightly damp, it should grab the powder, hopefully. And just go over it till you've got full coverage. Okay, let's make sure it's all over it. Perfect. Right, I'll just grab a dry brush and just flip it off. Okay, you can already see the shimmer and shine. I'm just gonna quickly clear this up before it goes everywhere. Okay, right, let's move all that out of the way. Okay, right, next I've got this embossing folder and I'm going to emboss our card. I'm not bothered about the edges because it's going to be cut down anyway. But I do want it fairly straight. Actually, because I made a boo-boo on that bit and it's come through slightly, I'll move it over that way. Just check. Okay, 2 secs guys, I'm just going to run it through. Okay. There we go, how pretty is that? It actually looks like it's on metal. Right, so next step is to attach it to there, but I want to trim it down just slightly. So, let's trim her out. And just where do I want it? So 1 3/4, and then just chop a little section off the bottom, just so it lines up with those lines. Let's just have a look. That's it, perfect. Leave that out for a second, because next plan, if I can find what I did with it. So, I'm not sure whether to do, it's the little things, or just for you. What do you reckon, guys? I know actually what I'm gonna do. As if you throw it. Put that one away. Just quickly double check. No. Right, so I'm going to put this out. Some scrap. Right. So that's that bit. That there doesn't look really. So it's that bit. And then I want to put just for you, but where do I put it? Could do it down there. And put that down there. Is that gonna go on there? Okay. Should we give it a go? Alright, let's put the stamping platform. Okay. It's just oops. Put that in there for a second. Get that out of the way. Right, no need. This is fine. I've been opening this one yet. Right, so I want that there. Take that out. And I'm pretty sure I've used it before, but just to be on the safe side. I'm just gonna put something over the top. I just want to make sure. Looks okay. Right. Let's hope it fits neatly in that little section there. And again, guys, don't push too hard when you're doing your words, because you'll push down and smudge. Yeah, as I thought, it's not quite done it. So you just do it again. Not very low. I don't want that on it. If not, I'll cut a shape out and we'll stick it over the top. That's okay. Let's grab that back out. Let's move that out of the way a second. Right, just want my hands full of powder. Right, now what I might do with this one. Oh, Jesus. Let's see if it'll fit. I don't think it's going to, but you never know. No. No. Not to worry. Right, let's get our glue again. Hi guys, sorry about that. somebody came to the door and I had to deal with them. Okay, so we're finished. I changed my mind about it being on the card, and I've just cut out a little scallop circle and printed the "Just for You" on the circle itself. And then I've added these little paper flowers again that I've had in my stash for forever and a day. And what I did, I just coloured them with the matching inks that I used on the top. So there we go, all finished. How pretty is that? What do you reckon, guys? Very shiny. I love it. Okay, please don't forget to subscribe and share the channel. Been very much appreciated. Have a great day, guys. Bye.